weather, oh, lots of people. I make here. I go there. Yeah, I'm just finished eating, mahal. I'm just finished Jollibee, take Jollibee. You know, because I'm so hungry from the SS, update my name, update my number, so that I can have a valid ID, valid SS that can make you know, if I'm already old.
Ayan,
Wait. You remember over there, mahal, we take a picture, you know, and we go there after we watch movie. Yeah, you remember, we take a picture and going there, going here around the festival mall inside. I'm missing you here, mahal. You know. Yeah, I'm here, mahal. Hello, mahal. Okay, wait, mahal. I go Ate Julie's first. And then after, I go home. Because outside so sunny, di mahal. So sunny. Very summer today because now it's April, and then coming Holy Week is so hot here, and then maybe we can everybody go there in the beaches, going the swimming pool, but me, I don't know yet. Okay, mahal. Bye for now. Bye for now, mahal.